Go by Daddy's car. Come on. Look at Jack. He's running around like crazy. Come on, turtle. Come on. Holy crap, it's deep right here.
Look over there.
No!
Just to my knees. Right there. Just right here.
Look at Jack. Come here, Gunner. Holy crap. Look at it. I can't even turn around. Look at the dog. Oh my gosh. Pick him up, Cassie, and bring him over here. Put him right here. I want to see how deep it is where I was standing.
Wait, where?
Right there. See where I was standing at right there?
Right there?
Yeah.
Stop.
Holy crap. Stand up, Bubby.
Stand up. Here. Stand up.
Stand up, turtle.
That's okay. Right here.
Artev, no.
I'm so scared.
Let's go over here by the street. Lily, go in that big pile over there.
I go in that pile?
No, like work your way down in there. See how deep it is.
I am. This is how deep it is.
No, it's not.
Compared to up here. Jackie, help! Jack, help!
Go put some on. What the? Can't even see the street, dude.
I can't.
Wow.
Alicia.
Wow. Holy shit. I'm like, you can't even get through it. Oh, crap.
Oh, you get.
Oh, shit.
Alicia.
Whoa. I just went sledding. Oh, crap.
Look at Jack.
See, you should have totally parked your car in the yard.